Hello everyone, this is Professor J. Kim. In my last two videos, we made two different M.C.Escher style pop-up card. This one was the first one. Okay, that's like this. And then also we made another one that's like this. 2 stairs. It is doubled. And today we're going to make another one just like this. Isn't it cool? And also you can apply any kind of images or textures inside. Okay, so you can download the template file I provided in the link in my description. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and hit the like button and set the alarm for my latest video. Then let's get started. I hope you found this template from the link I've provided. So I printed this template on cardstock paper, and then I'm going to do the same thing as we did last time. All horizontal lines printed in black hairlines will be cut, and all vertical lines, dotted lines, and the long dashed line will be scored for folding. So I'll do that procedure. Okay, so now I'm done with all cuttings and scoring. So I'm ready to fold. Okay, so the same way. I'm going to fold these 4 long folding lines first. So this one goes in like a V shapes, and I will fold this from the outside. And a little more. And then for this one, once you have this 4 kind of a basic lines here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then place your index finger, your left index finger, to the inside like this, and push up. You can pull toward you and fold this kind of a main half line. See, little by little, not too hard. I'll repeat the same steps for the other side. Okay, and fold this one a little more and more, and repeat the same process. So we're getting kind of a structure little by little as we fold harder and harder, push harder, then we're getting in there. And I will fold a little more from the back, and we're almost there. Okay. See? And push hard. I think we're done. See? Like this. Isn't it cool? It's more like a M.C.Escher style. If you take a look at it from the other side, like exterior, it's even more fun. Okay. Alright. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.